Girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try. Get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we're equal too? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la.
Dapat na alam natin ang bawat limitasyon at hangganan ng mga kagustuhan natin. Kasi kahit na ganun kapaborito natin ng isang bagay, lumadating sa time na nagsasawa din tayo kapag dinaragdagan natin yung total satisfaction noon. At hindi lahat ng bagay na nakukuha natin kasi lahat ng bagay ay may limitasyon. Wow, may pinaghuhugutan lang. Sabagay, tama ka doon. Tulad ng boyfriend mo. Satisfaction na nakuha sa'yo. Nakahutot sa'yo. Tuloy, nasira yung chan.
Catherine! Catherine!
Sino yun?
Catherine! Catherine!
Baka bigla na. Sino ba kasi yun?
Catherine! Patawarin mo na ako.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na mapagbalikan.
Hindi naman ako nakikipagbalikan eh. Makikigamit lang ako ng CR. May hilap pa din.
Kapal ang mukha mo.
Papasawin mo na ako. Lagi ang
Balikan ka na!